Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the how to upload many videos on TikTok at the same time with only one click here. So in the last video, I've shown you how to scan and download multiple video from TikTok, and we have video here. Let's check it out first. Here videos, here many girls video. And here's a MPT Viral. You can also use this software to upload video on TikTok. You can also post on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook Reels. So here we got videos, we got TikTok account. You can buy an account from me. First we go to set up the software first. The number of simultaneous stream, let's say 4 thread. The distance between two posts. I only want to post one video. Yeah, that is TikTok. We should not upload too many video in a day. Let's say one. Move account if fell to error. Upload waiting times. So most of TikTok video is 1 minute. So let's say 160 to 70. Here you're gonna choose to the description. You can write on the notepad right here. You can write the description of the video. Let's say something blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm not gonna post it with description, so leave it be. We choose a video here. It's not gonna show you, but when you click select folder, it will appear here. Edit videos, and also the hashtag. Let's say viral. Okay, add hashtag. Here it's gonna add somewhere in here. Here viral. You can see. After you finish all this, click save. Here, save successfully. Okay, click OK, and then we're done. Just click start.
Artlist.io.
Here for thread is gonna open for TikTok account at the same time. Okay, so let's wait a bit and see my software. Does it work?
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io
is gonna show you what the account is doing in here, the status. So they are getting videos to post on TikTok, so let's wait a bit. Okay, you can see the
Music
uploading
licensing
screen
reimagined.
from TikTok right here. Let's zoom in so you can see. Yeah, the description uploaded. The video is here. It's posting now. You can also schedule the videos to upload at the time you want in here. Scheduler. Let's say we're gonna set up the time and post on video on TikTok. Here, when you when you finish set up the time, click post on video on TikTok and save the schedule config. So it's gonna automatic post on the time you want. So with this method, you can upload as many videos you want in the time you want,
Music licensing
and you
reimagined.
can upload on many TikTok accounts. So let's say you have many TikTok account that you're doing affiliate marketing. So you can scan.
If you really love something,
So for example, I know
just let it go.
Lucid Studio maybe. Yeah, it's here. So they're selling
Artlist
decoration items, and so basically if you selling the same item, you can scan all the videos from this TikTok account, and then you re-upload on your TikTok account. So by that way you can like you can have hundreds and thousands of TikTok
Music
channel
licensing
that uploading
reimagined.
the product that you want to sell. And you can also, in here we have the description here, then choose a description right here. So we're gonna create um, let me wait a minute. So you can go here, create a file, a text file. Okay, wait a minute, I want to stop, the software is lagging. Stop. Okay. So let's say we create a text document here. You're gonna post the affiliate marketing link in here. So when you choose a general config here, just paste it. Wait. So select it here.
Music licensing
link.
reimagined.
Save it. Go to choose a description. Go back to where you save the file and save. And so when the video post, this will be the link in the description for you. So by that way you can build as many channels doing affiliate marketing as you want on TikTok by using the MKT Viral software. So you already seen is automatic post on many TikTok account, and how should you use it by if you're doing affiliate. Yeah, so that is about the MKT Viral software for TikTok. You can also post on YouTube and Facebook Reel, Instagram and stuff like that. You can also scan on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. You can see the last video in my channel. So if you're interested in the software, you can contact me on Telegram, link right here, and just contact me. I will give you instruction how to download the software, how can you pay for the software, and how to use it. So goodbye, see you in the next video.
Artlist.io